Welcome to my village where nature speaks life. Today on Cook with Regina, we are lighting up the coal pot and cooking rice and beans with cabbage stew, the way tradition taught us. Slow, spicy and full of love. These are the ingredients: Habanero pepper, tomatoes, onions, vegetable oil, tomato paste, garlic, salt, cabbage, mackerel, rice and beans. We begin by lighting our coal pot. This fire isn't just heat, it's tradition, it's patience, and it's the soul of village cooking. Clean hands, clean hearts. Every good meal starts with care. We place a pot on fire, pour in water and let it boil. Our beans are washed and added in, the foundation of today's meal. Next, we gather the goodness of the earth: tomatoes, onions, cabbage, and our fiery friend, Habanero pepper. In our earthenware bowl, we grind habanero and garlic. The aroma, it's fierce, bold, full of flavor. We slice onions thick. We want them crunchy. Tomatoes are seeded and chopped. Cabbage finely shredded. A little more habanero is sliced in because spice is joy. Into a hot pan, we pour vegetable oil and add the onions. Hear that sizzle? That's the song of the stew beginning. Tomatoes join in the pan, the tomato paste. We stir gently. This is not rushed cooking. This is art. We break our mackerel into chunks. Then comes the spices, curry, shrimp seasoning, and our village secrets. The cabbage goes in last, stirred till soft but not tired. That's how we know it's ready. The beans are perfectly cooked. In a new pot, we toast our rice in oil. Then mix in the beans, salt, water, and we cover it all. We cover it with a plantain leaf, a tradition that locks in moisture, aroma, and memory. At last, the dish is ready. Rice and beans cooked with heart. Cabbage stew, spicy, rich, and full of love. Today, I served 8 hearty plates under the cool shade of our mango tree. Laughter filled the air and every bite reminded us food made with love brings people together. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, stay rooted, stay nourished, and remember, in this village, nature always speaks life. Cook with Regina, where tradition lives through taste.